Well, I'm here at Tank-Weld's port and I am blown away. Why? Because I see entrepreneurialism at its best. I see growth, potential, and what I also see is a business that is well managed, owner-operator managed, over 15, 20 years, and it is still going strong with so much potential. So I'm excited for Jamaica, and we also have an export opportunity here, which is being seized, and many, many offshoot industries. I am so excited to be in the field, seeing what's happening, and being a part of enabling and facilitating the development of Jamaica. We are here to enable Jamaican businesses, Jamaicans, period. We're here to grow Jamaica. And once we find enabling opportunity like Tank-Weld, we'll just envelope the entity with funding, with advice, with inspiration, and also opportunities that can be given to them from the perspective that we have in terms of our global reach from here at NCB Group.
First off, I just want to say thank you to Mr. Leachin for coming to our facilities. It was great to host him, and we're happy that he could see, all the initiatives we put in place, our port in Rio Bueno, our manufacturing facility on Spanish Town Road, and our new distribution hub at Ferry. NCB has been a fantastic partner to Tank-Weld for many years. They've always supported us, in many different avenues, and we hope that with this visit and over the next many years, we'll continue to work really well with NCB. Tank-Weld right now, we're very focused on growth. We're very focused on logistics, as our aim is 100% customer satisfaction. On top of that, we're also very focused on our manufacturing initiatives as well as our exports throughout the Caribbean. And NCB is always willing and always has been ready to help us, and we'll continue to lean on them for advice. So we want to thank NCB again for the great partnership they have with Tank-Weld.